Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bakami ikatanat penroisor bat transport ubah Sniawbhalang dhar ulapan benar bapalat katsan Tylli bos betamai on supply Paidbah ano na dokalai Tarik Naitung na ISBT. Kibaan penyat kilenti bagi Jakarta mai hakelenganong ba Shillong. Hakabai de bakane ula kentu jor ikitanat boper kiba penan kami ni bos sarkar kum ke planning municipal muda bat kibai kum jor ikinong penyat bikinong nya bos bakin pitngor kin sumar batkin meramat bahai ki Bos Jong Ngi. Kibala don lupa kenang bakin emput nekelalong kibamla suban terikam. Uba Sniawbhalang dhar ule tu uru bula kot egejing yalang ban bishar bnia hau benai belalet. Lo gejing long jengman jeng di bos. Da gejing temu ban penti kena bagi long gibapaka bagi tenat kenang bagi nong nong wan kini omen siam ban pedon kami ki. Ban ul kerpat ya baru akibadi ban pet ban shim gejing kit kliak ban penek pensa ya kini kali nang ni syakmat.
Meeting from time to time with the bus operator or with the driver, we request them the bus should be maintained properly, nicely. It should not be in such a manner after only 1-2 years, only the bus should be condemned. So we keep requesting the one who look after the bus. So that is on the job from the department. Even this last one I called meeting on this, make sure all the bus should look perfect, should look nicely. People would like to sit on it also.
Now the buses are.
It seems on 3rd July. I'll inaugurate the new buses with different line. I will inform you in ISBT. It's on 3rd July 11 o'clock. I'll be releasing another bus with different routes. 15 plus, more or less. Because frankly speaking, some of them from planning, some of them from municipal, some of them from Moda. This mix is not the same for all.
With the new
Reply to you, we are requesting them they should maintain the bus properly. Will be there, even the old bus, but number one, we have to check their fitness. If they are still fit for use, we will use it. If some of them are not fit for use, even if we can condemn it, no issue for that. That's why we keep checking from time to time.